Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tech, Gaming, and AI News Nerdcap of the Week. This week we have some PS6 leaks. Nintendo also has confirmed that the Final Fantasy series is coming to Xbox, which is pretty cool. Nintendo is also celebrating its biggest failure. I didn't know Nintendo could fail, but here we are. And then finally, we have a 47.2 pound mini PC. It can't be that many if it's almost 50 pounds, right? People of the internet, wait, this is epic. This is Future That Nerdy 8 talking to Past That Nerdy 8 talking to Future You. I just want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Rube.app. If you haven't actually heard of it, Rube is basically a secret ChatGPT feature that nobody is talking about. It's an MCP server that lets ChatGPT and other tools connect with over 1,000 apps like Discord, Notion, Google Calendar, your email, and even dev tools like VS Code. Setup actually only takes under a minute. It's actually really easy. And suddenly your AI isn't just answering your questions, it's running parts of your life and making your wife happy. On the productivity side, people are using Rube to triage email, schedule events, and manage projects in Notion, and even research social media, all without leaving the app. It's like turning your AI into a true digital assistant. I actually use this to research a lot of the things that I do for the tech, gaming, and AI news, and it really streamlines my process and helps me get things done as efficiently as possible. Now, if you're a gamer like me, here's where it gets fun for us. You can actually manage Discord servers and send automated announcements, grab member lists, or even message your guild before a raid. This is actually super useful and something that I use for my Discord when I'm going live to send, people messages. Hey, that Nerdy 8 went live, come hang out. Or hey, like our raid is starting, whatever announcement you want to send. Hey, it's my birthday, send me money. You know what I'm saying? Or hey, wife, I'm hungry, give me food. You can do that with this tool. You can also schedule gaming nights or tournaments with Google Calendar, and Rube will actually auto invite your team and send reminders to them in Discord. We have those friends you have to remind 10 times. So you can set up the automations and announcements and messages to go to them 10 times versus your other friends a couple of times, just so that they don't miss out this time. Something else that's also really cool about this app is you can actually track your matches in Notion. You can log the results, you can track the stats, you can share strategies, or even manage full tournament brackets, which is something I definitely don't want to do. And I know you don't want to be writing it down as you go either. So this is the tool that can do that for you. Now picture this. I am Future That Nerdy 8 talking to Past That Nerdy 8 talking to Future You. So I've already experienced this, but Rube can schedule your weekly raid, ping everyone on Discord, log the results in Notion, and even remind everybody 30 minutes before the next tournament. So no one will miss out or no one's late. You're not waiting for them. But you can do this all running in the background while you play. One of the biggest benefits to this app is it's actually free to use. So if you want to level up both your work and your play, check the link in the description below. I've actually been trying it out and it really does make content creation, gaming, and life a lot smoother. And my wife is also a lot happier. Happy wife, happy life, right? Thanks again to Rube for sponsoring. Now let's get back to the video. Marty, we gotta get back to the future. Marty, help me. You don't get that reference, then you're a loser. A new leak claims that the PlayStation 6 could deliver a massive jump in performance. No way. With RTX 5090 level ray tracing and up to 6 to 12 times faster ray traced gaming performance than the PS5. I would hope so. The system is expected to use a custom AMD GPU and CPU with support for AI-powered upscaling and advanced backward compatibility, as well as faster storage for near instant load times. Sony hasn't confirmed the leak, and the details like pricing and release date remain unclear. Most analysts still expect the PS6 to arrive around 2027, keeping up with Sony's usual console cycle. If this is accurate, this would make the PS6 one of the most powerful jumps in console history, bringing PC level like performance into the living room. Or, spoiler alert, you could build a PC that kicks the PlayStation 6 ass right now. Let me know in the comments below if you are excited for this. Square Enix has confirmed that Final Fantasy VII Rebirth and the upcoming Part 3 are coming to Xbox. Freaking sweet. Maybe we'll get PC on day one and not have to wait a year for it. I don't know. Rebirth was previously exclusive to PlayStation, but will now expand to the Xbox Series X and S, giving Microsoft players access to one of the most acclaimed RPGs in years. Part 3, the conclusion to the remake trilogy, will also launch on Xbox alongside PlayStation when it arrives. No release dates have been confirmed for the Xbox versions, but the move signals a stronger commitment to multi-platform support going forward. And maybe, just maybe, we will get the PC version on day one and not have to wait a year for it. I do always love to play on the PlayStation first and then a year later go back and replay the game on PC with mods and stuff, but if we could get it on day one, that would be freaking sick. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you're excited for. Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade is coming to the Nintendo Switch 2 with features designed for smoother play. Square Enix revealed the port will also include streamlined progression settings, giving players more flexible difficulty and progression options compared to the original release. So cheat codes built in, an easy mode. You could just say that. This is the first time the remake has appeared on Nintendo's platform, and the Switch 2's hardware upgrades are expected to deliver strong performance. Yay! Alongside Xbox's recent announcement of Rebirth in Part 3, the move highlights Square Enix's push to make Final Fantasy more widely available, which is freaking sweet, as I said a while ago. No release date has been given yet, but the Switch 2 version is set to launch sometime after the console's debut. Let me know in the comments below. Do you want an easy mode like this? Nintendo is bringing Virtual Boy to the Switch, marking the first time the company has revisited one of its most infamous consoles. The update includes a full library of Virtual Boy games, complete with a replica Virtual Boy console accessory that works with the Switch. The Virtual Boy, originally released in 1995, was considered a commercial failure due to its high price and limited library. Now, just 30 years later, God, I'm old, Nintendo is leaning into nostalgia, treating the system as a retro collectible rather than a misstep. Good for you, Nintendo. Get the money. Get all the money. The collection will be available through Nintendo's Switch's Online Plus expansion pack, and the replica hardware will be sold separately. Let me know in the comments below. Will you be leaning into nostalgia and buying all of this stuff? Thermal Grizzly has launched a new water block for Asus's RTX 5090 GPUs, and its price is raising some eyebrows. Can you do that? I can only do one side. The custom cooling solution costs more than an entire RTX 5070's graphics card, highlighting just how extreme high-end PC hardware has become. The block is designed for enthusiasts pushing the RTX 5090 to its limits, offering superior thermal management and quieter operation. But with pricing higher than a mid-range GPU, it's clearly targeted at a niche of overclockers and performance purists. Looking at you, Linus. This launch comes ahead of NVIDIA's expected RTX 50 Super Series launch, which could shift pricing further as the next wave of GPUs arrive later this year. Let me know in the comments below, is this water block something that's in your budget? YouTube Music is rolling out a major redesign for its now playing screen. Something we definitely asked for. The update introduces a cleaner layout with bigger album art, repositioned controls, and a stronger emphasis on visuals. Playback buttons are now grouped more intuitively, while menus have been simplified for easier access. The redesign also better aligns YouTube Music with Google's broader Material You design language, making it feel more consistent across Android apps. Users can expect the new look to roll out gradually worldwide over the next few weeks. Let me guess, it looks like Apple Music. Just yet another copy of Apple, right? Spotify has begun rolling out lossless FLAC audio. Early impressions suggest the upgrade comes with some trade-offs. While the new format delivers higher sound quality, the feature is limited to Spotify's upcoming Supremium tier. The heck? Meaning users will have to pay more to access it. Hands-on testing shows that the lossless tracks can take up significantly more storage and bandwidth, making offline downloads and mobile streaming less convenient. Despite these drawbacks, audiophiles will appreciate Spotify's catching up to rivals like Apple Music and Tidal, which already offer lossless tiers. Let me know in the comments below, do you think Spotify is way too late to the game for anybody to care, or can you even hear a difference? I know I can, but I'm a audio snob. Let me know in the comments below. Amazon is reportedly developing new AR smart glasses codenamed Jayhawk and Amelia. Unlike the discontinued Echo frames, these devices are said to focus on mixed reality experiences that blend digital overlays with the real world. Early reports suggest the glasses will use lightweight frames, improved battery life, and support Amazon's Alexa assistant. This may tie into Amazon's broader ecosystem, including Prime Video, shopping, and future AI tools. Amazon hasn't announced a release window, but the project signals a renewed push into wearable AR, competing with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses and Apple's Vision Pro ecosystem. Let me know in the comments below. Will you buy this? Because I know I won't. Height has issued a urgent warning for its thick Q80 Trio AIO liquid coolers, telling customers to uninstall them immediately. The company says it discovered a fragile internal component that can cause coolant leakage, creating risks for both the cooler and the PC hardware it's installed in. Height is working on a return and replacement program, though details are still being finalized. The Q80 Trio launched earlier this year as a premium cooling option, but this flaw has now raised major concerns for early adopters. For now, Height is advising all owners to stop using the cooler to avoid potential damage until a permanent fix is provided. Let me know in the comments below. Do you have one of these coolers, and have you had any issues with it yet? A new copper encased ITX PC case is turning heads for its extreme design. This thing looks freaking sick. The 14.2 liter system weighs 47.4 pounds, nearly twice as heavy as the aluminum version, but it uses the copper shell as passive cooling, eliminating the need for fans. It's almost 50 pounds, guys. Jesus Christ. The case relies on copper's high thermal conductivity to dissipate heat, offering silent operation even under load. While impractical for most users, it's a striking example of niche engineering aimed at enthusiasts who value unique builds with zero noise setups. Its massive weight and cost, which has yet to be released, is more of a showcase item than a mainstream option, but definitely highlights how far PC case innovation can go. Let me know in the comments below, is this something that you're interested in or that you would buy just to have a zero noise setup? All right, everybody, that is all I have for this week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time, remember to stay nerdy, y'all. Peace out.